The overheads of the Ministry of Economic Development was passed in Parliament today. UNP parliamentarian Ravi Kannanayaka opened the debate.
The only benefit that we got from you all is that you brought in racing cars such as Lamborghinis. Do we only need to invest in the wealthy class? The same people who said that they wanted to end the war are now spending heavily on defense, and they are saying that they cannot raise salaries. The responsibility of the UNP is to build the nation and protect the people. We do not want to protect a corrupt government which aims to create an economy for a selected group. About 80 to 90% of the investors are from the private sector. However, you have not given any concessions to the working class. There are only 5 million families in the country. This whole effort is aimed at uplifting the living standards of 1.8 million families. The Samruddhi has already given loans worth 60 billion rupees. By the looks of things, there is development in the country over the past 3 to 4 years. By the looks of things, there is development in the country over the past 3 to 4 years. However, I believe that the benefits of this development has not reached the people. Thousands of youth in both the north and south risk their lives and attempt to travel to Australia illegally by sea. This goes to show that there is a serious problem in the country. Our duty was to end the 30-year war and change the lifestyle of the people in poverty. We will continue our activities for the common man, and after the next 3 to 4 years, these politicians who have limited themselves to the cities will know that they won't be able to come into power for a number of years. That is why the minister told the newspapers that the opposition has been finished due to the Divinagum bill.
In more news from the Parliament, UNP parliamentarian Eran Wickramaratne raised a question in Parliament about the rights of disabled individuals.
According
to the previous consensus, it was 1.6. We believe that figure is around 7% now. In 2006, a bill was brought to Parliament regarding the rights of disabled people. Are you hoping to bring the same bill into Parliament, or is it a separate bill?
ස්වාධීන අධිකරණයක් ජනාධිපතිතුමා යටතේ පත් කරන්න තමයි 2006 පනතේ නියම කළේ. ඒක ඇති කරනවද නැද්ද?
We can do this once the act is passed. However, there is a delay in assessing whether the protocol suits the country. Autistic children also need to have a right to enter good schools. Will this right be granted to our children? We concluded a program with Sirasa, and an organization which helps autistic children was the winner of it. We are holding discussions with them, and we are hoping to bring in proposals to help them even more.